Hi, my name's Ryan,
Hi guys, my name is Erica.
and we are going to demonstrate how to use Zoom breakout rooms.
It's really useful when you have a group of people and you want to separate them to maximize student talking time.
And the way that we do that is by using the Zoom breakout rooms function. Right down here it says breakout rooms. And when you click breakout rooms, you can see that you can assign the participants automatically or manually. So we'll select manually and then create the breakout rooms. Here there's only one breakout room, which you can rename if you want. And we click assign, and Erica is now assigned to breakout room 1, and I would click open all rooms, and what happens there is she'll receive a notification which you'll see on her screen, and then she'll go to the breakout room and you guys will follow her. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to open all rooms.
So while Ryan stays in the main room, I am assigned the breakout room, as you can see. So I know I'm in the breakout room because on bottom I can read leave breakout room. I can ask for help to communicate with Ryan. The other participants would be here on the top, my classmates and here. And then there's also the chat. As a teacher, you can post here on the chat whatever questions you want your students to talk about. Because if the main room is sharing a screen with a PowerPoint presentation, for instance, the person in the breakout room, the people in the breakout room cannot see it, right? So once Ryan puts people in the breakout rooms, the shared screen in the main room where he is right now is not shared with the breakout room people. So we usually post whatever we want them to discuss in the chat, so they will have the chance. Or we open, if there are any teachers in the breakout rooms, we can share the screen with whatever we want to present. Ryan can send me a message here. It's on the top, 5 more minutes. So we in the group, we know. And then now he's asking for us to go back to the main room. So I can wait for, if I'm finishing an activity, I can wait until the minute is up, or I can click here and return. I'm gonna click to show you guys how we do that. So I'm returning, and then voila, I can see
Voila.
Ryan.
Bye.
I'm back.